Welcome to this week's Blazon's Top 5. This week we're going to be discussing the top 5 enterprise data layers. Layered data models have been with us for decades. In the 70s, businesses communicated using proprietary networking architectures such as the IBM SNA model. Today, the OSI networking model, which is the basis of the Internet, evolved to dominate business communications. It's interesting to view an enterprise's data flows from this stratified perspective. The bottom, more technical levels don't really differentiate a business, but the higher, more ethereal layers embody the core values of an organization and are closely tied to how it is perceived by the market. The following describes the 5 data layers, starting at the bottom level. Number 1. IT infrastructure management. A modern business is highly dependent on its IT infrastructure. Networks connect a business to its own servers and cloud-based services. Availability and security services send alert data when anomalies, events, and exceptions arise. In this context, IoT sensor data streams need to be ingested, analyzed, and actioned in real time, while log data supports IT operations and service management functions. Number 2. Finance. Profitability for an organization is managed by budget and consumption data, while the cost of labor is provided by timekeeping and project management systems. Asset management, procurement, and revenue management systems data make it possible to compare costs against income. Number 3. Sales and service operations. Demand management, sales, and service automation solutions look outside the business. Marketing automation systems track prospective customers, while sales automation data enables revenue forecasting. Customer survey data and net promoter scores indicate service delivery performance and satisfaction. Number 4. Governance, risk, and compliance. Governance processes rely on operational data to ensure controls are in place for regulatory compliance requirements. The board of directors and management team defines risk thresholds that are embodied in business policies. Number 5. Identity and perception. At the highest level, the corporate identity is concerned with the perception of itself. The corporate media relations function is acutely focused on continuously streaming data on customer perception and sentiment. Potential reputational damage needs to be managed with some urgency before it affects revenues and spooks shareholders. Competitive advantage is also monitored at this level, while threats from emerging companies and overlapping products from competitors also need to be identified early to be mitigated before sales are impacted. Blazon understands the crucial need for data quality at all these levels. Effective decisions need to be based on data that is verified and accurate. For further information, please visit us at www.blazon.com. Thank you for listening.